Hello, everyone, and welcome. My name is Ashton, and this is On the Mend. I've designed this class for anyone who is getting over being sick. This will have a series of more gentle, more lower impact yoga poses that are really good for boosting our immunity, for opening up our sinuses, clearing and opening up our chests, and also just bringing some movement and some stretching back to our bodies. Because often after we've been sick, it's been a period where we haven't been as active. Maybe we've been in bed. So there's a lot of things that we're working to restore in our bodies. So this practice specifically is meant to create more space in the body to help release some of the tension that we have built up in our bodies from being sick and just to begin to feel better overall. Now, something for you to be aware of is the level to which that you're recovered. If you are still feeling sick, this class may not be right for you yet. You may need a few more days to rest. This class is for when you're ready to get back to movement and you're not feeling sick beneath the head. So all of your symptoms in the body have cleared up. Now, for this practice, you don't need any props. However, I am going to offer the use of a pillow or a bolster. So if you have something, I just pull this right off the couch. Go ahead and grab it and keep it nearby, and we'll go ahead and get started.